The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back to our new session. I hope you all are doing good. Is it? Okay. And most of you have not completed your notebook. So complete it. You should write all the steps which I am giving in the presentation. Okay. So last class we have discussed about the OpenShot video editor. How we can arrange the video file and how we can remove the content which we have to edit. Is it? Today we are going to discuss about how we can add the effects. Last class we have discussed about how we can apply the transition effect. Is it? So here we can add the options to apply the different effects in a video files. Let's see how we can. So right click the video clip file. So right click on the video file and you can include in the track, which is included in the track, and you can just provide the fade. If you have to give any black option means you can use the fade, or any animation version means you can apply the animation effect. Okay, so these are the contents which we can apply in the video files while we are editing with the OpenShot video editor. Okay, and here also just identify the effects which you have included in the clip, which is suitable for that. Okay, next we can include the audio files. If you want to give any background sound or any extra MP3 sound, or you have to give any effects means you can include the audio files which is in the MP3 format. Is it? So for that, just add a new track which is below to that video clip and just add the audio clip also. Okay, and if you want to remove any sounds in the audio files means it is possible. Just click on the audio track and you can remove the content. Okay, so here we have the video files. Is it? They are arranged in that, and below that you can use the MP3. If the track is not present means you can add by right clicking the track, or else you can add the track in the using that plus symbol in the title. Okay, so like this you can add the audio files also. If you are arranging the images means you can give the background sound also. Is it? So using these options you can apply the contents. And if you want to give any title effects or title any text effects means you can use the option title. Clear? And with the transition option in that you have the menu title. By selecting the different options you will get the title. Okay, if you are choosing an effect and double click, you will get the details here. If you want to change the name and font color style means you can use the styles and you can apply the textual effects in the clips. Okay, and for end also you can add the effects. So same as just type the content and you can save. Click on save in that option. Here you have the option and complete it. Okay, so like this you can add the textual effects in the video clips. And next one is how we can export the project. How we can export the project? So first save the file which you have edited, is it? And after that just click on the export video in the file menu. Okay, and you can give the file name and select your folder, and finally click on export video. Here you have the option. In this you have to select the formats which you are exporting. So here you can choose all format. If it is video file means you can select MP4. Okay, if it is high definition, that is HD video means you can choose that file. Or else another format means you can choose that options also. Okay, after that just click export video. According to the length the processing time will be exceeded. Okay, After completing, it will save in the particular folder which you have selected. Clear? And the next one is, after that is exporting the video file, you have to convert into an MP3 file or other format. Means in Ubuntu you have another software for that, converting software. We are using in our mobile phone, is it? So like this, in Ubuntu also you have a software to convert the files. That is known as, okay, for converting you have the software that is WinFF. Okay, so after open that WinFF, you will have the windows like this, and you can select the file which you have to change and just select the output format. If it is MP3 means MP3, like that you can select and just click on the file and you can convert that. Okay, clear students? So after editing video, you can export the video file as in different formats, MP4 and like that, you know that. Is it FLV? Like that we have different file formats. If you want to convert the files into any other formats means you can convert. For that we are using WinFF. Okay. So these are the contents. It is mainly including in this chapter. So to go through that, complete these steps you should write in your notebook. Okay. Study well. We'll see you in the next session. Students, let's start our activity. Today we are going to discuss about how we can add the effect in OpenShot and how we can convert the file and saving method. Okay, so go to application, sound and video, and here you have the option OpenShot video editor. Is it? So first of all we have to add the video files, and we can add the audio files too. Is it? So let's see how we can do that. So first import the file. Here you have the option import file and select the video. I am selecting a video here. So after that select the show all option. Here you can see your project files. Okay, and you have to add a audio file too. So just select an audio file, import, and here I am selecting an MP3 file. Okay, so just add the video file into the track, and if you want to cut the portions you can select, or you can add the marker here. For example, I am marking here. Okay, and again if you want to remove this section, just end marker, and you can just remove the section if you want to change. Okay, use the eraser tool and remove the options. If you need, you can change. Okay, and here also just cut, and again go to this, right click on the part, remove. Okay, just select the portions which you need and just click delete. And if you want to arrange this section in another track means you can include. Okay, so the next activity is how we can add the audio file. So just add the audio file on below this track where video is present. Okay, and in this we have an audio in that video file. So I have to turn off that. So just right click here, volume, entire clip, and here you can adjust the level 0. So it will be arranged, that is adjusted in 0 level. That means the audio is muted, and we can add this audio file from the starting of this video. Okay, so like this you can adjust the section. If you want to add any effects for that audio means just add the section here. Whatever the section you have to apply means you can check that. If it is in brightness means you can see that changes in that audio clips. To video which is playing in the preview, and here just right click on that video file.
here you have the option fade in and fade out option. Okay, in their clip, fade in and fade in out, like this you can adjust the effects. Okay, and finally if you want to add the track means, and finally if you had to add the title means, just go to the title option. Here you have the menu. If you need to animate a title means, you can select another title. Okay, so just click on that title, select the option. Here you will get the different set of models of titles. You can choose any type. So, and here you can edit the name and the subtitles here. Okay, according to the designs you can adjust. So here I am typing BSS Gurukulam, like that. Here you can change the font color, font size and everything. Okay, here you can select the options, like this you can choose. I am selecting a sample section and save the options. Okay, and in the project file it is displayed. Okay, whichever you have typed, and just drag it on this place and adjust the video clip. Okay, here we have that transitions which is clubbed within that, so just remove. Okay, now you can see how these options are applied. Okay, so here you can see that the title it is present and the video clip it is playing in this. Okay, so these are the contents we are discussing in this chapter. Okay, how we can apply the audio files and video files, and how we can arrange the video files in the different tracks. Is it? So next section is how we can save the file. You can just save the project in an OSP extension, that is the OpenShot project. Okay, if you want to export the file means, just go to file, export video. Is it? We have studied in the last practical session. Okay, so like this we have saved the file, and you have the option that is dance MP4. We have that file here. And next, if you want to convert this MP4 file into MP3 means, we have the software WinFM. Is it? So here select application, sound and video, and here you have the option WinFM. Okay, so it is software to convert the files into different formats. FF. You can convert the files into MP3 or 4, or like that we have the different AVI, different file formats. So select the file which you have to convert, press add, and here you can select the file which is converting. I am selecting OpenShot MP4 and just select the file, convert into MP3 format or audio file. Is it? And here you can select which type, MP3 or Windows format, like this, and just choose the folder which you have to save. I am selecting B, desktop. So you can save the file in that place, just give the file name. Okay, and just press convert in this. Okay, so the conversion it is seen in this terminal window. Okay, and after completing it gives a message, press enter to continue. So just press to enter to continue, and it is saved in this desktop. Here you can see that OpenShot MP3. Okay, so like this you can use the software to convert the files in different formats. Okay students, so these are the contents we are studying in this chapter about how we can edit the video and how to export the video in different sections and how we can convert a file using a software WinFF. Okay students, so complete the steps. After watching the video you should complete your practical note. Okay, so study well. We'll see you with a new topic.